Hello everyone, today we start chapter 3 playing with numbers exercise 3.1 sum 1. Which of the following numbers are odd numbers? Give reason. Now first of all we know that the odd number defined. Odd number end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it's known as an odd number. So here number is given, check their ones number first. Here is 8. 8 is not odd number. So that is the whole number is even number. Next, check the ones number. Here is 7. So that is the odd number. So write down in odd number 177. Next, now here ones number is 5. 5 is odd number. So here write down 3, 4, 5. And after next, here ones number is 0. It means that number is not an odd number. So check the next 5. Here you can see that the ones number is 7. So that is the odd number. So here write down 6, 7. And here write the reason. The odd number end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it is odd number. Sum 2. Write all the multiples of first. 13 between 2, 6 and 1, 1, 7. So here 3, 9, 5, 2, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 0, 4. Table of 13's answer here. And here between 2, 6 and 1, 1, 7. So that is our answer. Sum 2 is going on homework. Sum 3. Write all prime numbers between 2, 0 and 3, 5. So here write down first of all 2, 1, 2, 3, 5 number. Now prime numbers. Prime numbers always have two factors. One is 1 and the other is number itself. So here you can see that the 2, 3. Here 2, 3 is the prime number because 2, 3 has only two factors. One is 1 and the other is 2, 3. So here first is 2, 3. Then after 2, 9. 2, 9 also have a two factor. One is 1 and the other is 2, 9. So here write down 2, 9. Then after 3, 1. So 3, 1 has only two factors. One is 1 and the other is 3, 1. Sum 4. Find whether first number is a factor of second number or not. Now first 1, 3, 6, 5. Now here you can see that the 1, 3 multiply 5 equals 6, 5. So first number is a factor of second number. So here write down yes. Next one 1, 5, 6, 0. So 1, 5 multiply 4 equals 6, 0. It means here also first number is the factor of second number. So here write down yes. Now next one 1, 7, 6, 4. So here you can see that the first number is not a factor of second number. So here write down no. Fourth is going on homework. Sum 5. Write each of the following numbers as sum of two primes. So here first is 5. So here you can see that the 2 and 3 both have the prime number and that sum is 5. So here write down 2 plus 3. Next 1, 2. So here you can see that the 5 plus 7 both have the prime number and that sum is 1, 2. Sum 3 is going on homework. Sum 6. Write down the factors of the following numbers. Now here first is 4, 5. So here write down 4, 5 multiply 1 equals 4, 5. 9 multiply 5 equals 4, 5. 1, 5 multiply 3 equals 4, 5. So that all are the factors of 4, 5. So here write down 4, 5 factor. 1, 3, 5, 9, 1, 5, 4, 5. Next 6, 0. So here you can see that the 6, 0 multiply 1 equals 6, 0. 1, 5 multiply 4 equals 6, 0. 2, 0 multiply 3 equals 6, 0. 1, 0 multiply 6 equals 6, 0. 1, 2 multiply 5 equals 6, 0. 3, 0 multiply 2 equals 6, 0. So that all are the factors of 6, 0. So here write down 6, 0 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 1, 5, 2, 0, 3, 0 and 6, 0. That all are the factors of 6, 0. 3 is going on homework. Sum 7. Write even numbers between 3, 1 and 5, 1. So here write down first of all 3, 1 to 5, 1 number. Now here even number. So first we know the define of the even number. Even number end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. that all are known as a even number. So here ones number check. If the ones number is end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So that all are the even numbers. So here even number equal 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 8, 4, 0, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 8 and 5, 0. Summing. Write all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So multiples of 9. So here 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1, 9, 0, 9, 9. That all are the multiple of 9 up to 100. Sum 9. Sort out even and odd numbers. Now here first. Check the ones number. If the ones number end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that all number are known as a even number. So here ones number 0, it means that whole number is even number. Next 4, 6, 8, 2. Here one's number is 2. So 2 is also even number. So that whole number is known as a even number. Next 3, 5, 7. Here one's number is 7. One's number if the end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So that all number are known as an odd number. So here 7. So 7 is known as odd. So here write down odd. 4, 5, 6 going on homework. Sometime. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. Now first. Here we can take 3 primes number. So here 2, 1. So 3 plus 5 plus 1, 3. Here you can see that 3 number are prime number and that sum is 2, 1. Next is 3, 1. So 5 plus 7 plus 1, 9. So that all numbers sum we got 3, 1. 3 is going on homework. Sum 11. Express each of the following number as the sum of 2 odd primes. So first 4, 4. So here 1, 3 plus 3, 1. That both number are odd and prime number. Next one is 1, 8. 5 plus 1, 3. That both are odd number and prime number. And that sum is 1, 8. Next is going on homework. Sum 12. Give 3 examples of twin primes. So here 3, 5 first, then after 5, 7, then after 11, 30. That 3 number are twin primes. Thank you.